We'll guide you through how to make concrete in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Concrete is a great block to go and build with. So to go and get started, you're going to need at least 4 pieces of gravel and 4 pieces of sand, and we're also going to need a dye. So what we can do is go and get started. Let's go and get the dye. You could put a flower in a crafting table, or we could put a bone to get bone meal and put that in a crafting table to get white dye. Now for the concrete, we need to go and put 4 pieces of gravel in the crafting table and 4 pieces of sand like so. And last of all, add in your dye. We could use blue, white, it doesn't matter. So as you can see, we've now got white concrete powder. So go and get that. To make this into concrete, you need to place it next to or in water like so. And as you can see, it then goes to concrete. We can then go and mine this and we're going to go and have concrete. As you can see, in this case it's white concrete, but it could be a different color depending upon the dye you've gone and chosen. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.